Oh, it just says meat.
What? Where'd you get? Oh, where did you get that?
I'm not. I think I killed
Oh,
the.
no, you probably spawn with it. To be honest,
Nah, I'm pretty sure I killed the bird.
you didn't kill a bird.
Can you eat the berry?
Oh my life.
No, you can't because you can't eat anything that isn't meat.
Sucks.
Yeah, it does suck. That's why we said,
I got-
why you Wigfrid?
You guys.
Thank God.
Alright, well me and Oliver will have a mighty feast, whilst Liam sits there and starves, not being able to eat anything.
No, it's fine. I got some meat on me.
Yeah, you'll have to eat that one. Cook it first.
What? I just ate it raw. Alright. Let's go, 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 go!
Oh no, I
man.
cocked up.
Come on. Come on. Yeah!
Yes!
Mine. No.
There's another one there. Alright, I'll take it.
Oh my God.
Alright, we've got lots of bees around here.
Ooh,
Don't attack
bees.
the hives.
Uh,
Liam, don't attack the hive.
Down. No,
Liam,
no.
I said don't attack the hive.
what happens if I left click over there? Ooh.
How's my health go back?
What do you think that would happen if you attacked the hive, Liam? No! The girls killed the one of them.
Why are the trees monsters then?
Because I may or may not have. I don't know. I was chopping down a tree and it decided to.
I'm at the portal, yeah?
Yeah, okay, go left until you find a path and then follow it north.
Should I put my torch on now? Is
Yeah,
the
that
best
would be the best time, and I'm dead.
Oh God.
This is going badly.
Oh God.
I'm gonna die.
My health is so low. Oh my God.
Wrong. So quick.
So wrong, so quickly.
Dude,
Oh,
it's
God.
blank, I cannot see
And
it.
there goes game.
Oh my God.
It's so terrible.
What the hell do I do?
Oh, I set myself on fire!
Oh my god. You know what, this world was doomed from the moment Liam played Wigfrid. I think on this world we should call it quits.
Right.
See,
well,
now- Now some would say that Allah is trialing us. So that if we get past this, that we've got many riches to look forward to.
No.
Where is he?
Quits.
Guys, let's
Call it
spread
quits.
up and look.
Alright, well I'm calling this one quits.
Yeah.
I've got 4 gold.
Hello, can I have your monster meat?
You don't need it urgently.
I do need it really urgently.
You don't.
Can't you see his dying
Fine,
need for
fine,
this?
fine. Take the damn
Thank
meat.
you, thank you. I need what? Oh, I need to. Yeah, done. Spot on.
If you turn into a goose, I'm not gonna be happy.
Do it. Do
No,
it.
I need another seed before I can do that.
Oh, no, don't worry, I got you.
Get it, pick it up.
No, Kaden, come here. Right, there we go.
I better wait till. Thanks. I better wait till tomorrow.
I mean, why not try it out now?
Oh yeah.
I mean, experience is very important in this game, and we need as much as we can.
Oh no! He's a goose.
This game is.
I absolutely love Woody. He's so good.
He's better. He is better.
Yeah, than every other character.
No, no.
I love the art style of this game. It's so.
It's good.
cute.
Yeah, it's very original. I've never seen anything quite like.
Mine is the stuff like literally in the nest. So.
Yeah, I know where mine. Mine's the furthest down.
Where the fuck are the spiders?
You can
Oh,
tell which
this
one's
way.
Kaelin because there's a straw hat on the body.
Why would you not make a straw hat?
Right, if you guys distract them, I'll.
Ow. No!
Alright, good job, boys.
Oh my god! I've got such a good idea. Right, someone give me some monster meat and some grass, and I'll be super moose.
You should have the monster meat.
No, I can't pick up my stuff, and
Oh,
I am on 10
right,
health.
okay, I'll go get the monster meat. Ow! I'm on 10 health as well.
Go on,
Oliver,
room.
do you
Go
make
on,
it-
room. Go on.
make it
Get the
fair?
monster meat.
I can't see it, I can't see it, I can't see it, I can't see it.
No.
There's so many spiders. There's so many spiders.
This game is insane.
Oh, it's getting dark.
That's fine.
No!
You would a shadow monster.
What?
Oh.
Oh.
You started.
Ah, the rain killed you! You died from the
Oopsie
rain!
daisy.
Food, please, please.
Ruben, language.
Kalen, as soon as that comes out of the crock pot, eat it.
Please, please, I need food.
Kalen, eat it.
Please.
I'll give it.
Oh, for fuck's sake. I cannot be bothered to fuck around with the settings. I can't hear you either now.
I'm not talking.
Oh, that's alright.
Going insane.
Yeah, I am.
Kalen is literally actively going insane.
Who's got my straw hat? Oliver, you little cunt.
I mean,
If my straw
I
hat,
need.
by the time I'm back, I will finger my ass. Wait. Fuck you going with my straw hat, boy?
It's not yours. Guess you have to do what you gotta do.
Find that very hard to believe.
Finger your ass right now.
He's got you there.
Kalen,
Yo,
can you cut down this burnt tree?
who do I look like?
What's that even mean?
No, not this one. The other one.
One.
No, you can't.
Who do I look like? Who has? Does anyone have any morsels or anything?
I'm gonna get some fish right now.
Awesome, brother. Bring back enough for all of us, please.
I can only fish so much. I'm not even there yet.
What have you put in there,
Up
Jim?
north.
Berry, potato, mushroom.
Oh, okay. That'll be ratatouille.
If I could eat it and not you, that would be very nice, because I'm hungry.
Is it gonna kick me?
Real fucking shame though, isn't it?
Ruben, I hate you.
How much food hung do you have?
Dude, like 100, but I made it. Give me my food.
No, I'm 25. I'm eating this.
Oh, you're a
Ruben, I'm on
nigger.
15, you asshole.
Oh,
What?
fuck's sake.
I was on like
Right.
what, like 3 more than you.
Yeah, that's 3 more.
So what, I'll see if I can make something out of what I just got. Boop boop. What's this gonna be? Fistful of jam, probably. Fistful of jam, that'll do. Okay.
Zero. I was zero.
There's food in the crock pot for whoever wants it.
No, Oliver, don't be a penis. I hate you. I'm dead.
Early
Well,
bird.
he was on 1.
Early bird, man.
Defend the early bird against the worm.
On my own, and I'm just gonna put it on my
Oh, he's got a point. He's got a point.
Can you stop clicking so
Yes!
loudly?
Oh, what?
Yes, let's go.
To be fair, early bird, man, early bird.
Early bird gets the worm. Early bird gets the worm.
The early
Where's
bird does
Chester?
get the worm.
I can't find fuck.
Oh,
Hello?
Hello.
Everyone's got a bit quiet.
Everyone's just sort of
Yeah,
concentrating.
I know.
Everyone's just concentrating on
I'm
not
lagging.
trying to die.
I'm so goddamn.
Yeah.
I've got
James, don't eat that.
no idea what's going on anymore.
Ruben, I have 14 hunger.
No.
Mandrake soup. Yeah, sure it fucking is.
Oh,
We've got
yeah,
loads
of
of-
Give it to me! James, don't eat it! James, do not eat
Ruben,
it!
consider the fact that I made food earlier and you fuckers stole it from me, so
Yeah.
this is
Not
pretty fair.
me, though! Yeah.
Nom it up.
Don't eat it.
Nom it up, James.
Yummy.
Don't eat it. Yeah,
Oh
you
wow,
didn't eat it.
150 hunger, that's crazy.
As if you wasted the mandrake, Ruben. On
That's what they say, Ruben.
Don't say it.
Early bird.
Don't. Oh!
Yeah, the early bird does get the worm.
Oh, I hate him.
This is my nan.
Hello.
Watch out, pair of you.
We're all going to die.
Can you shave it?
Yep.
She's still here. She hasn't turned it off. Bye, Jane. Bye, Jane.
Oh, mum.
Oh,
Oh no.
Yeah,
Oh god.
can we restart?
Ruben, I
'Cause
need
this
food
isn't going
so
well.
bad.
I think we're restarting. Watch out, Kayla.
Oh, you can't.